guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. I'm excited about this wig because this wig is under $40, okay? It is a synthetic wig. I do a lot of synthetic wig reviews on this channel, but sometimes we gotta work with what we have with the budget. And this is a very affordable wig. She's coming curled, she's coming colored, you know, she's coming all that pre-stuff for us. She's coming high lace because we got kinky edges. I'm gonna tell y'all about the sensational kinky wide part loose spiral 24-inch wig. But if you like content like this, definitely stick around because I'm trying to give y'all the videos. I'm trying. I'm trying my best, but I do what I can on this channel, and when I do drop some good content, okay? So give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, let's jump into it. What's up, y'all? So I am reviewing this wig from Sensationnel. So I wanted to talk this part through. I know sometimes I fast forward, sometimes I play music, but you know, I just do what I feel like doing. It's my channel. Anyway, so this wig right here, I got this wig. Shout out to Khrissy. She slayed this wig. She really inspired me to buy this wig. And now that I'm trying to get back into this filming stuff, you know, I was like, let me give the people the wigs. But I wanted to give a different color. She reviewed this wig in the black color, so y'all definitely check out her video. I'll leave a link. But I have balayage mocha. Now, a little backstory. When I first started reviewing these sensational kinky edges wigs, I did do 3 different colors, and I did it in, I think, the kinky body wave 18 inches. Check that video out right here. I have to look because sometimes I forget where to point, but check that video out right here. And based on the color, the wigs looked kind of different. And I stated that in the video, the textures sometimes were different. It just was a little different. So I wanted to bring you guys this one to see if she's giving what the stock card is giving. So just a few specs. This is the sensational wide part kinky edges wigs. Now they have the 13x6 lace frontals, which I told you guys before, where you can part anyway. This is a standard lace part wig, so keep that in mind. This is a very beginner friendly collection. When you have standard middle parts, you're going to get beginner friendly. Just know if it's a standard part, it's beginner friendly. Depending on how the wig looks, you could tweak it and you can make it look like $1,000,000. It says this is kinky edges for all curl types. I'm telling everybody just in case you never saw another video like this, but you should know by now because these kinky edges synthetic wigs have been floating. Are you watching the videos? Curl types 3B to 4C. Again, I have the style wide part kinky loose spiral 24 inches, and I have the color balayage mocha. So this is what she's looking like right here. That's that wide part, that part in the middle, but you're getting all this lace to make it that wide part. This is what the lace is looking like against my skin, so definitely have to tint this lace, and there's different ways to do that. Today I think I'm going to use powder. I'm not sure. There's an elastic band for if you want to wear it glueless. I secure my wigs, but you can get away with wearing these wigs glueless, y'all. And the adhesive that I've been using, guys, I use so many different adhesives, but it depends on how I want to wear my wig. I want to make that very clear. Depending, I think I'm gonna do a video for y'all. Yeah. I'm gonna do another video, so y'all stay tuned. But depending on how I want to secure my wigs is how I do the lace adhesives. So I normally show y'all this Kiss Colors and Kara. This one is really good, but recently I've been using this Isha Melt Daily Hold. You know, I've been using that because you can take it off easily with water and it's a really good hold. Yeah, so you're gonna get some combs right here, and a comb in the back. So let's put this on. I already have my braids down. I think I'm gonna do another like video with my hair out in the front, like some half wigs, so stay tuned for that. I have a lot of content coming for you guys. I know I've been like in and out. I have some health issues going on, but God is so amazing that I'm getting through it, and I'm feeling a little bit more encouraged to start filming again. So I'm trying to, you know, give you guys the videos. And I wanted to show y'all my skin because the skin is skinning. Okay, let's go ahead and put her on. So you just use the elastic band. Y'all know how to do this stuff. Y'all know how to do it. Put it on like that. Boom. And bam. Like this. I do like to use a black wig cap. Use what works for you guys, but that works for me. This is going to be cute. This is actually going to be really cute. So When I was looking at my other video with the 3 colors that I mentioned of the Kinky Blowout 18 inches wig, initially I didn't like it. I felt like it was too much hair. But then the pictures look good. The color looked good on me. Like right now I don't have myself together. I don't have makeup on. And sometimes when you first put on a wig, you're like, oh my God, what did I buy? But put the look together and trust the process. So right now what I'm going to do off camera, I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on. I'm going to tint my lace. You can either tint it with some lace tinting spray, and I got all this stuff linked in my Wig Essentials link down below. Y'all know this stuff, you know, if you've been following me, I give you all the resources, and if I don't have it down there, just leave me a comment and I'll add it, okay? It's not that hard. Or you can use some powder. Today I'm going to use a little bit of powder to match the lace. You're matching the lace to your complexion. Right now, this is clearly not my complexion. I'm going to secure it with a little bit of lace adhesive spray. Now, the last video that I did talk you guys through why with these Kinky Edges wigs, I prefer to just kind of secure it as I go instead of using an elastic band. So check that video out right here. Guys, I got the videos for y'all. I'll be right back. This is gonna be cute, but I need y'all to see the before and after, okay? Stay tuned, stay tuned. So as I was melting my wig, I put on my makeup, and first of all, the wig is nice. Y'all see those edges? This is why I am so in love with this collection. Don't mind me, I was just feeling myself just a little bit. So I'm going in with my synthetic wig products, you know, the synthetic wig conditioning spray along with this silicone spray, and I like to use just a tad of serum depending on the texture of the wig, but for these curls and frizz, I do like to go in with a little bit of serum. Sometimes I leave my curly wigs how they are just because they're synthetic in the frizz. Not in this case. This is a wig that you definitely need to fluff out. I like to run my fingers through it to like finger comb it, but the wig needed something more, and this is when I decided to go in with a little bit of long layers in the front. And look at the transformation of like how different it was looking with the layers. Like it just like you see what I'm saying here, right? So I'm going in with layers on the other side, just a little bit like to frame my face, just a tad, just filling out the wig some more. You know, it does have that standard lace part, but I was thinking to just go in with the whole flip over effect here. I bust out this other serum, which I just like for the smell, and it's a little thicker. It just smells so good. I also did go in with a little bit of heat on the edges just to kind of soften it up a bit. I didn't want to get it too straight because I do like the kinky edges, but I just wanted to soften it up, and that was it. I'm finished with this wig. I am finished with this beautiful wig that is under $40, y'all. I gave you the specs. I told you about this wig. This wig is beautiful. I need this wig in a natural color. I need it in balayage gold. I need it in a lot of colors. So I'm really loving the kinky loose curls on this. You are definitely going to get some loose curls on this. As you guys saw, I did customize this wig just a tad. There's no free parting in this wig, but it's okay. Y'all see this flip over that I got going on? Do y'all see the flip over? And there's no lace. The lace is in the middle. This is a wide part wig, but I got a flip over effect going on because that's what you can do with these wigs, okay? You can play with them. You can do what you want. Just because it comes in the middle, yes, you can flip it over. You can do what you need to do with your wig. It's your life. I'm really loving this wig. And again, shout out to my sister cousin, Khrissy. Thank you, girl, for making me buy this wig because this wig is a winner. Absolutely add her to the cart. I need her in a natural color. Every time, I don't know if y'all feel like this, but every time I buy a wig, I'll be like, I'm not buying no more. I got enough. There's one sitting in the closet. But sometimes some wigs you just need, and this is one of them. I love the texture of this wig. I'm not sure if I told y'all that. It is not kinky, but it's like a light yaki. It works. And the more it fluffs out, the more you play with it, the more it's going to get bigger, but it's not too big. Let me show you guys the length. It is 24 inches. This is the length. I think I did trim it a tad. Let me show you in the back. Oh, and y'all see what I did with my shirt? Oh my God, I totally played with this shirt from the beginning. I tied it up, the tie fell. I got this graphic tee and I totally just played with her because work with what you listen, buy the cheap stuff and spruce it up. There's a lot going on in the world right now. Sometimes we gotta work with what we have. But this look came together, so y'all definitely follow me to see how I changed my graphic tee. Y'all know what it was looking like in the beginning. Y'all know what it was looking like. It was rough. Anyway, in the back. Okay, she is long. I really do recommend this wig. I like the kinky edges on here. You can add more heat. You can tweeze it out. I just kind of leave my kinky edges sometimes and just tweeze it as I go or play with it. I like it because it does kind of hide the lace. It hides the lace. Come on, we know why we buy these wigs. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I think she is absolutely gorgeous. The balayage mocha. The mocha in the front is hitting. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.